Alright, so today we're going to take a look at a really great site called Wallwisher. Now Wallwisher creates kind of a digital online notice board. It's kind of like a cork board where you can post anything you want, allow people to edit it and post their own stuff as well. Great for collaborating in small groups and also for sharing things that you want with the world. So let's take a look at how easy it is to use and how great it can be in terms of creating great content. So I'm going to go to build a wall, and very simply I start up over here in the upper left. I can select an image, and you can either choose from one of the ones that they have or you can upload your own image. I'm going to just stick with what they have right now. Let's do this one over here, looks pretty cool, so let's just stick with that. And I'm going to say close. Now, start with the title. So I'm going to just call this Wallwisher Test. And we'll give it a subtitle. So over here, double click and just describe. So additional description. Very original. Now, I'm going to give it a name. So over here, I'm going to go test 1, 2, 3. And it asks me who can view this. I'm going to say only me. Don't need everyone else in the world viewing this. So who can post on it? I'm going to say everyone. Now notice you can allow just yourself to do it, or you can make it open so that anyone that has the address can post on it as well. That's really great for planning events, for working collaboratively, and for sharing ideas. But if you just want to keep it to yourself, you could say only me. I'll leave it as everyone. Now this is really important. I want to approve every post before it shows up on the wall. If you've given your email, which allows you to register for a free account, you can actually get emailed when people try to post things on the wall. You control who gets on there. The really great thing about that, of course, is in school, you can decide whether a post is appropriate or not. So that's it. Now, the last step you have to do is come over here to theme and pick basically a background color. You can do things like wood or denim, but of course there's something like silver or slate that are really easy to see and use. So I'm going to pick the slate one right here, and I'm going to go to done. And in a moment or two, we're going to refresh the screen, and we'll be ready to edit. So here we go. Alright, so notice double click anywhere on the screen to get a sticky note. So I'm going to go to double click, and it says over here, write your message. So I'm going to say, testing out a basic message, and say OK. That's great. So far pretty simple. Notice that on the lower right I can undo the sticky note being added. I can also take it from the top bar and move it around. Double-clicking again will allow me to add a second one. Now notice over here I can not only write a message, so I'm going to write Edutecher TV webisode on YouTube, but I had pasted before, or rather copied, a website address from YouTube. So I'm just going to paste it in over here, and I'm going to say OK. And notice that now I have not only the title, but I have the video as well. Take that and drag it around as well. Very, very simple to use. Double-clicking again, notice again, images, audio, or video, plus just basic messages. That's fine with me, so I'm going to go to OK. Really, really simple. This is how easy Wallwisher is, and you can invite as many people as you want to work on this. You also can track their changes, because it says over here when the last time that it was posted. So this one over here says just posted. But as time goes on, if I go back, it'll tell me it was posted a minute ago, 10 minutes ago, 2 days ago, etc. You can even create a mock timeline by just putting these in order. So that is Wallwisher. As I said, it's great for collaborating, great for students working on the same project or teachers working on the same project. It's very, very simple to use and lots of fun. So check it out, Wallwisher.